So, as many of you may know, we recently got a Beagle puppy, and she's really cute. I love her to death. She is a bit of a pain in the ass, though, like all puppies. Big problem, though, she's outgrown the crate that she's been sleeping in. So our project now, we've got to make something that looks nice, fits in with the rest of the decor in the room, and gives our puppy a nice, safe place to sleep. I've got some ideas, so let's get to it. I had to design this to fit in a space between our couch and the stairs leading to our bedroom. It needed to keep within the depth and the height of the couch without intruding on the walkway too much. Fortunately, a comfortable dog crate for a Beagle is extremely close to the sizing, so I think we lucked out. This project may look overbuilt for a little Beagle, and it probably is. I decided to double up on all of the framing components, not only for stability, but for ease of alteration. You see, at this point, I hadn't sourced any of the materials, so I wanted to build it in a way in which I could easily swap things out if they ever got damaged, or if we ever had a design overhaul, or if I just couldn't find the right stuff. We actually ran into that with the stainless steel rods later on. Although I prefer my primary joint to be glued, I opted for pocket screws to expedite the glue-up process. I figured Clover just wouldn't have the same appreciation for dovetails as you or I. The side panels of this dog crate are designed to allow the wood paneling and stainless steel bars to be replaced later down the line. So, although the top and bottom pieces are doubled up and glued together, the center bar is still separable, with the exterior half being glued in place and the interior portion being screwed into that. With a handful of countersunk screws on each side, you can take them out quick and easy.